Hey everyone, talking about Dirty Flower Factory by Kerosene. The notes in this are jasmine, rose, orange blossom, peppercorn, chili pepper, sandalwood, ambergris, and musk. As soon as I saw this, the rose just jumped out at me on the notes. I was like, okay, I don't think I'm gonna like this very much. Like, it's gonna be so rose dominated because rose in a floral scent, especially, can just like really take over sometimes. But happy to say that, fortunately, for my taste at least, maybe unfortunate if you're hoping for a lot of rose, it's not at all rose dominated. This is powdery orange blossom and jasmine, fresh, clean laundry style musk. So I don't mind this type of musk at all. And then some spice. Those are the main aspects I get, but the spices here are really well incorporated. So it's not just like, oh, there's florals and there's this sharp, spicy pepper or something like that. It's just like a bed of kind of warmth added that supports the other notes and accords. And it works well with like holding up the coolness of the orange blossom and jasmine in comparison. The ambergris kind of bridges the gap between some of the vibes that might otherwise kind of feel a little bit discordant between like the warmth and the coolness. I'm not normally a big fan of floral scents, but this is much more to my taste than most. There's a slight, almost classic eau de cologne type of vibe to it. So I think it could be more unisex than you might think. I mean, I guess it would lean stereotypically a bit feminine otherwise, but things like orange blossom actually are often used in very masculine fragrances, especially like classic old school kinds. So yeah, I mean, I would prefer to wear unisex and masculine, and I wouldn't have a problem wearing this for that reason. It's not like full bottle worthy for me just because 99% of stuff isn't, and I'm very picky about what I like to wear, but I do like it. And I think if you like orange blossom and jasmine, that it's totally worth checking out. Good longevity and projection as well. I will link in the description where you can get a bottle or sample.